Let's use the Jeff Foxworthy approach to see if this YouTube channel might be for you. If you can't afford Adobe Illustrator anymore because the roulette wheel hit 00, then this channel might be for you. If you tell your friends you can easily create this kind of artwork and one of them says, "Prove it," then this channel might be for you. If you want to be an artist, but you can't draw because your dominant hand is in a cast, then this channel might be for you. If you sketch a masterpiece like this and want to resize it into a poster, then this channel might be for you. If your dog always chews up your artwork, then this channel might be for you. If you don't have a creative bone in your body, kind of like me, but you want to be artistic anyway, then this channel might be for you. And if you want to impress that special someone with your artwork, but you have no idea how, then this channel might be for you. Finally, if you don't know the difference between a mandala and a gondola, then this channel might be for you. Hi, I'm Tom, and I invite you to subscribe to this channel. I'm looking for fellow Inkscape enthusiasts who would like to explore how to use Inkscape to create art. I look forward to your comments and questions so we can build a community around this interest. Take care and make use of these links to subscribe and to watch our first video.